Welcome to the Author Capital community. We're thrilled to have you here. Now that you have a free account, let's browse all the cool features you have access to. To log in, click the button in the top right corner. Once you input your email address of choice, you will now have access to a new menu of member-only features. If you already have created an account, log in here. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access the Members Only menu. This is added features that site visitors aren't able to see. Let's start with your profile. Here you can upload a profile picture, background image, write a bio, and even add some images so other community members can get to know you. If you want to browse other member pages, you can click the Members tab to meet new authors within the Author Capital community. If you find someone you'd like to chat with, follow them and click the speech bubble on their profile. This will open both the private and group chat features located in the bottom right corner. Have a specific writing question? Visit our forum and create a new post. You can check out our existing posts to see if your question has already been answered, or you can start a new thread. Talk about writing, publishing, anything at all. All site members will be able to see and respond directly to you. Looking for some more education? We have a library of blog posts all focused around writing and publishing. Like your favorites or leave a comment. Anyone following you will see what you had to say and can join in the discussion. Want to meet up virtually with the community? Reserve a spot at any one of our monthly webinars or write-ins. During these online events, you'll be able to meet and enjoy the company of other writers just like you, while learning everything you need to level up your craft. And of course, if you'd like to gain access to our full online conference, you can always register here. We're so glad you've joined us and can't wait to get to know you better. So start building your profile, asking questions, and chat with the community. We'll see you soon. Welcome to the Author Capital